Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials: power, cables, and monitor input. These simple checks cut wasted time. Once done, force a safe mode boot using Shift plus Restart. If that fails, create Windows 10 install media on another PC and boot from USB. Make sure to document any recent installs or updates, because those are often the cause. You want a second device handy to download drivers or tools. This step isolates the system and prepares you to repair drivers, Explorer, or system files safely. Once in safe mode, open Device Manager and focus on display adapters. Disable, uninstall, then reinstall the driver or roll back if available, because faulty graphics drivers commonly cause black screen with cursor. Next, open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scanno to repair corrupt system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the component store. After that, start Task Manager, restart Explorer, exe, and verify Win plus P output and scaling. To finish, try System Restore to roll back to a working configuration, or uninstall the latest Windows updates that match the failure time. If that fails, use Reset This PC and choose Keep My Files or perform a clean install from USB. This removes deep OS corruption. Make sure to back up before major actions. And one key troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, check drive health and receipt or test RAM and GPU. Hardware faults can mimic the black screen with cursor issue, so log any error codes for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.